Hello everyone, I'm going to make a seed and nut loaf that's low in carb. We're going to do it in the manual mode because this is a recipe that I've converted to a Thermomix recipe. For this recipe, the ingredients are as follow: 250 grams of almonds, which we'll mill up into almond meal, 80 grams of butter or coconut oil, 6 eggs, a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey, 80 grams of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons or 15 grams of coconut flour, a teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of bicarb, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 25 grams of sunflower seeds, 30 grams of pumpkin seeds, and 12 grams of chia seeds. First step is preheat your oven to 160 degrees. Also line a bread tin. Then we're going to place the almonds into the bowl. To get the scales, we'll just swipe right, press scales, and you can weigh 250 grams of almonds. Slightly more. Then we'll go back to the home screen and we're going to chop that up for 10 seconds at speed 10. Remember to put your lid on, and it's going to be slightly loud. Okay, we're going to transfer the almond meal into the bowl. Ten seconds from almonds to almond meal. Next step will be to place your butter or coconut oil into your mixing bowl. So it's a nice day in Melbourne. It's not very hot, as you can see. So we want to melt that first. So we need 80 grams of coconut oil or butter. Put the lid on. Go back to our home screen. Okay, now we're going to melt the coconut oil, so we can set it on 25 seconds, 50 degrees, speed 3. Okay, it's melted enough for this recipe, so you just don't want one big solid block. Next, we're going to place in some of our ingredients. So we need 6 eggs, then we also need a tablespoon of maple syrup, our reserved almond meal, I'm going back to my scales, and you can measure in your 80 grams of shredded coconut. Remember to tear before you weigh it in. We also need to measure the coconut flour, 15 grams. So we'll tear there. A teaspoon of salt. I must say, I miss my next steps. Much easier to follow a recipe on the screen. Right, so now we're going to mix that all together. Put on your lid. Go back to the home screen. We're going to mix that for 15 seconds at speed 5. So that's mixed into a nice batter. Now we're going to add our seeds and just stir it. So we need our sunflower seeds with 30 grams. You can just measure it in. And then your pumpkin seeds, 25 grams or 30 grams. If it's easier, you can use a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which is about 12 grams. Teaspoon of bicarb. So this we're just going to place on top. And then we're going to add the rice wine vinegar on top of that. Just see that you get the reaction. Okay, so we're going to mix that in for 10 seconds. Reverse speed 4. Reverse speed 4. Now we can transfer our dough into our pan and stick it in the oven. Going to put that in the oven and bake it for an hour. Just check if it's perfect. Let the pan cool for about 5 minutes and then put it on a cooling rack. Wait for it to cool properly before you slice it. Because of all the eggs in this bread, it's quite filling, and I'd like to freeze these slices, and then I just take one out and pop it in the toaster before I have it.